presenting. I'll get
Muigana wa ikundi 75 nicio irikitie kuheana mawoni macio megie mutaratara wa watho wa kigina wa mwaka ukite kuri kamiti ya mbunge igii kigina. Riri andu angi 1,500 matumite mawoni mao na njira ya email gugikinyirio muthi. Guku aingi ao matariirie uregani wao na kihiri kia magoti maria mendekithitio ni mutaratara uyu wa watho wa kigina.
I can only equate this housing program with one thing, with the teachings of Pastor Mackenzie. Because this proposal is promising us heaven, is promising us a very good life in future, a very comfortable way of staying in future. But we have to kill ourselves today for us to be able to get that future.
The principle around insurance is to put you back to where you were before the unfortunate incident. You do not benefit from insurance, you should not be worse off as a result of insurance.
Magitaririo uregani wao na mutaratara uyu anyitite mirohogini rwa insurance na mameneri irendekithia ria kurengaga igoti marihi ma insurance. Guku gikundi gia sauti ya wanyonge mathingatire thirikari guthinga marima maria kigina kia muingi kiuragira kuhitukira gukumio.
Chair asked, isn't it the time we bite the bullet? And I say, yes, it is the time we bite the bullet, but we bite the right bullet. Okay. The right bullet is not to tax Kenyans who are already heavily taxed, but we can use what is there right now, because the government must correct revenue, but let's not exceed the burden, because Kenya now is at what we may call elasticity point. Beyond that, we will break this country.
Okay. If we can cut expenses, small wastage that is happening within the government, then we can move on and we can stop overtaxing our people.
Nikumana na mateta maya Muikariri gitu wa kamiti no Kuria Kimani athingatite akenya kwa kugia na wagaguo wothe kuona nimekumurika mateta macio mothe na makiria makuruhania thiini wa mutaratara uyu mbere yote manetio bunge-ini.
We're going to go clause by clause of the whole bill, and also do an analysis of everything that we've received from the stakeholders, clause by clause. Like on this clause, who said what? And then after that, we'll have a meeting with the National Treasury and the Kenya Revenue Authority, because everything has any change that any of these changes has a financial implication.
Iguru ria maya kamiti ino ni thingatite akenya meharirie kwinyitia muthiori kuona kihiri gia tabarira iria makoretwo makienda thirikari itabanie no nginya cietherwo kigina na njira itiganite. Makiria kuona thirikari irenda gwithema kuoya mathire mangi magutabania tabarira ici.
Fine. Maundu ma murenda twekere bicho cikumako. Na ndikuo kona ru no nginya tungika balance ati ni turenda maundu meko no maundu maya megwikwo naki. Na gukomba tugukomba. Akenya muno acha tikwenda mathire riki. Fine. Akorwo tutigukomba ri then no nginya twetikire guthie muhuko witu hanini makiria niguo maundu macio tureka makirwo ni magwika.
Undu ungi uria nyingi cia ikundi cikoretwo ikienda thirikari imurike ni uhuthiri moru wa kigina kia muingi. Makiuga mabilioni ma mbeca iria ciuraga kuhitukira ungumania no cigane kurugamirira imwe cia tabarira ici thirikari irenda gutabania.
Na koguo ni kurenda kwira aobitha aitu othe aria me thirikari muratu gibarua kiritu muno ya kwetha mbeca ici twacietha ri cioka thiini wa ministry cianyu ri cioka thiini wa parasato cianyu ri twamwihoya muhakikishe ni ciahuthika uria kwagirire.
Ngirivotera Kameme TV, jitago Maura Wagunya.